in the industry of heating and cooling. Today, I'm so super excited to introduce to you Midea Inverter Air Conditioner. This air conditioner is known for its energy-saving capabilities. One of the standout features is the iECO mode, which can save up to 60% energy consumption with just a single touch. Allows the air conditioner to provide 8 hours of energy efficient comfort. Midea air conditioner operates on the very low noise operation. These air conditioners are known for their whisper quiet operation, with some modules producing as little as 32 dB of noise, making them a great choice for those who value convenience and comfort. In terms of power consumption, Midea Inverter Air Conditioner can run as low as 1092 watts, which is really relatively low compared to other air conditioners in the market. For installation, Western AirTech offers wide range in supplying and installation of these air conditioners. We have more than experienced technicians who can help in repair, maintenance, servicing and installation. You can contact us with all the details that are coming up right next. Thank you.